Hi there, my name is Matt Martin and I am the service manager here at Ryan Nissan, and I would like to welcome you to our dealership. Here's what you can expect when you arrive at our service department. Pull on up to our service doors. They're marked for easy visibility. If the door is open, pull right inside and park. If it happens to be closed, please give us a moment to open it up for you. If you're waiting a little longer than you feel comfortable, give your horn a honk to wake us up. Once the door is open, you'll be directed inside. Okay, so now you're inside. Now what? Your comfort and convenience is our goal. Just sit tight and one of our service advisors, Adam, Esteban, or I will be here momentarily to start the check-in process. Once you have completed the check-in process, you'll be directed to our customer lounge, where you can wait for your service visit to be completed, or you can relax until our courtesy shuttle shows up to take you where you need to be. Thank you for trusting us with your vehicle, and we look forward to exceeding your expectations. See you soon.